Good morning, everybody. I was discuss cancer also common plants, cancer also group um, uh, of remedy. It was discussed part one. Now I want to discuss descriptively cancer also one. You know, four common plants or essential plants are taken. Conia maculatum, that means Conia maculatum, Vince toxicum officinalis, Pimpinella saxifraga, and Ras toxicodendron. And next uncommon plants was mixed, uh, Colophyllum thalictroids. Conia maculatum was taken 20 parts, uh, and its ingredients, medicinal function has discussed in uh, part, part 1. Vince toxicum officinalis, 10 parts taken. Its ingredients and medicinal function has discussed before. Number 3, Pimpinella saxifraga Ras toxicodendron. Its ingredients and medicinal functions as discussed in part 1. Now, I want to discuss uncommon plants or special plants which is used in cancer also 1. Colophyllum thalictroids. It's taken in cancer also 1, 10 parts. Colophyllum thalictroids ingredients was found in cancer also 1, bitter principle, saponine, etc. As per bitter principle and saponine in Colophyllum thalictroids, it acts on the uterus and it controls the menstruation, and it also acts on nerve, kidney, nose, throat, etc. Here, number 5, that means Colophyllum thalictroids, mixed with essential drug or common drug which are present all original cancerous group of remedy. That means Conia maculatum, Vince toxicum officinalis, Pimpinella saxifraga, Ras toxicodendron. When Colophyllum mixed with essential drugs in those four plant essence, then a new complex cancerous one is found. It is observed that the resultant force of the above plants essence acts nicely on female reproductive organ. Female reproductive organ. That means uterus, ovary, glands, etc. Besides, it acts on the nerve, kidney, and ENT. ENT means ear, nose, tongue. Its mode of action was found in cancerous 1, maintains the cellular decomposition of target organs. That means target organ means uterus, ovary, glands, etc. And it influences improve the mitotic cell division, resulting the healing of wound. So, it is called tissue remedy of uterus or female remedy. Therapeutically, it is observed that cancerous 1, cover and control the total function of the uterus, and it prevents the tissue damage of nose, throat, and other organs. Here we may found effective organs are female genital organ and all glands, female genital organ specific and other all organs. Secondarily, its effective organ was found ENT, stomach, RT, respiratory tract, etc. Therapeutic value was found in cancerous 1, uterine fibroid, cyst of the ovary, cervicitis, leukorrhea, ulcer of the organs, breast fibroma, gastric ulcer, inflammation, etc. As per mixing of 5 plants, when cancerous 1 was prepared, then medicinal properties are found. It is called woman remedy, and it is very beneficial for epithelial tissues of the uterus and mucous membrane of the glands, lymph nodes, genitalia, and skin affections. It is most effective in amenorrhea. In massive dose will be applied. Ovarian tumor in liter dilution will be applied. Uterine disorders, mastitis, habitual abortion, leukorrhea, hysteria, etc. It is useful in rigidity of cervix. It cures false pain of pregnancy and abortion due to uterine debility. That means uterine weakness. It cures dysmenorrhea, profuse means, leukorrhea, cancer of the uterus, carbuncles, etc. etc. It affects on central nervous system and cures vertigo, weakness of the brain, trembling, urinary troubles, uterine troubles, lack of memory, palpitation, etc. It has the carminative function and stomachic. It acts as stomachic, cures the pain in the stomach. Carminative. It can cure. It can helps as digestive function. Antilytic properties. It has diuretic action, hence it cures dropsy, inflammation of any part of the organ. It affects on fibrous tissues of the joints, tendons, sets, so it cures joint pain, stiffness of the joints, rheumatism, etc. It is very beneficial in pregnant lady for easy birth and prevent abortion in liter doses. Contaminatic action In case of contaminatic action, it should not be used in massive dose during pregnancy. Please it uh, conscious. It will be conscious during pregnancy period. It may be abortion. It may be abortion minded. Thank you very much. You are all requested to follow my next video step by step, and I request you of all doctors, practitioners and physicians to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.